Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use this budget planner in Google Sheets. We'll set up the workbook, customize your budget, record your income, expenses, and savings, then explore both the monthly and annual dashboards. Along the way, you'll see how everything updates automatically, including your balances, reports, charts, and smart financial insights. Let's get started. Workbook overview. When you open the template, you'll see these sheets at the bottom. User guide, budget, financial summary, income, expenses, savings, dashboard, and annual dashboard. If this is your first time using the planner, I recommend reading the user guide first. It explains every feature in detail. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete setup step by step. Step 1, set your opening balance. First, open the financial summary sheet. This sheet automatically logs activity from your income and expenses tabs to calculate every credit, debit, and running balance row by row. The only cell you need to edit is the opening balance cell, located in H2. Enter the amount of money you currently have before you begin tracking. For example, if your current balance is $1,000, simply enter 1,000. If you're starting from zero, enter 0, that's it. Every transaction you record from now on will automatically update your balance. Step 2, customize your dropdowns. Next, let's customize the planner. Almost every dropdown list can be edited to match your own finances. Open the budget sheet, click any dropdown, then click the small edit icon at the bottom of the list. The data validation panel will open. From here, you can add, remove, or rename categories. Use the same method to customize. Expense categories, income sources, accounts, bills, and debt categories. Once you've finished, your planner is ready for your own financial information. Step 3, set your budget. Stay on the budget sheet. You'll see separate tables for expense budget, bills budget, and debt budget. Choose a category from the drop-down, then enter your budget amount. On the right, the summary section updates automatically. It calculates your expense budget, bills budget, debt budget, and overall budget. These budgets are used throughout the dashboards to compare your actual spending. Step 4, record your income. Now open the income sheet. Enter the date, choose the income source, enter the amount, select the account, then add an optional note. Every income entry automatically updates your financial summary, monthly dashboard, and annual dashboard. Step 5, record your expenses. Next, open the expenses sheet, enter the date, choose the expense category, enter the amount. There's no need to enter a negative number. The planner automatically recognizes it as an expense. Next, choose the payment method, select the account, then add an optional note. Every expense instantly updates your balance, charts, and financial insights. Step 6, record your savings. Open the savings sheet, enter the date, enter the amount, choose the account, then add an optional note. At the top of the sheet, you'll see your monthly and lifetime savings totals update automatically. Your savings are also reflected in both dashboards. Step 7, monthly dashboard. Now open the dashboard. Select a month from the drop-down. The entire dashboard updates automatically. At the top, you'll see your monthly summary, opening balance, income, expenses, net balance, and savings. The What Happened This Month section provides smart insights about your finances. Below that, interactive charts help you compare your budget and spending, analyze income and expenses, identify overspending, and monitor your financial progress throughout the month. Step 8, annual dashboard. Now open the annual dashboard. Select the year you want to review. You'll instantly see your financial performance for the entire year. The dashboard includes your annual summary, smart yearly insights, budget analysis, interactive charts, and a year-end summary highlighting your highest spending month, highest saving month, largest expense category, and top income source. It's a quick and easy way to review your finances over the whole year. That's all there is to it. Your budget planner is now ready to use. I hope this budget planner helps you stay organized, spend wisely, save consistently, and reach your financial goals. Happy budgeting. Thank you for watching.